Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Congress decides to allot tickets to all sitting MLAs. Parties move to avoid more family politics. Party plans to allot one ticket to a Muslim candidate, two to women. Election Commission tells all government departments to hold appointment of government employees made after 23rd December. Suspects appointment of around 1,300 posts. Caritas Goa completes 50 years. The society was established by the last Portuguese Archbishop a fortnight after the liberation of Goa. Prayag United shocked Dempo Sports Club. Goan Giants start New Year with a defeat. Dempo's loss hands Churchill Brothers chance to go top. And St. Brito High School need to work on defensive lapses to challenge the Mahindra Youth Football Nationals. Britos won 2 out of 5 matches on penalty shootout. Now the news in detail. Congress has now decided to give ticket to all its sitting MLAs. Sources from Delhi suggest that Congress has changed its earlier stand of dropping two current MLAs from its final candidates list. Party has come to this conclusion as some of the MLAs are lobbying for their family members. Similarly, party at the centre has agreed to allot one ticket for a Muslim candidate and 2 tickets for women.
Prudent Media had revealed the list of probable Congress candidates on Monday. Sources say that the party has made changes in their earlier strategy. Earlier, the party had given a thought of dropping 1 or 2 current MLAs from South Goa and 1 MLA from North Goa. But with their own leaders demanding these seats for their kith and kin, party has decided to include all the current MLAs in their final list. Sources say that one MP wants a ticket for his son, whereas one minister wants a ticket for his wife. The final list of candidates is expected in the first week of February. Congress has unanimously decided to allot one seat for a Muslim candidate. At present, following are the 3 constituencies where the names of Muslim candidates figure among the others in the list of probables. In Fatorda constituency, Vijay Sardesai and M.K. Sheikh. In Murgaon, Sankalp Amodkar, Saifullah Khan and Nitin Chopdekar. In Santa Cruz, Victoria Fernandes, Rudolf Fernandes, Babush Monserrat, Jennifer Monserrat and Irfan Mullah. That means M.K. Sheikh from Fatorda, Saifullah Khan from Murgaon and Irfan Mullah from Santa Cruz are the 3 aspirants shortlisted in the probable list. The question is, who amongst them will go through, as Congress has powerful candidates in all these 3 constituencies. On the other side, these are the 2 constituencies where women candidates figure. Santa Cruz, Victoria Fernandes, Rudolf Fernandes, Babush Monserrat, Jennifer Monserrat and Irfan Mullah. Kortali, Cynthia De Silva and Raymond Dissa. 2 names, Cynthia De Silva and Victoria Fernandes, are there in the first list sent to Delhi. Sources say that some of the heavyweights seeking ticket in Santa Cruz are upset with the decision of the party. It is also said that the MP who is seeking a ticket for his son has also retracted from his moves respecting the party's decision. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Election Commission has ordered that freshers who have received government appointment letters after Code of Conduct came into force should not join duty till election process is over. Sources say that around 1,300 posts were filled after the code was implemented. Investigation by the Commission is in progress.
Departments like electricity, accounts, sports, fire services and animal husbandry have recruited around 13 people despite of election code of conduct. Election officer has now ordered the departments that freshers who have joined the duty should not be allowed to join duty till election process is over.
5 डिपार्टमेंटांनी गव्हर्मेंटाच्या तांणी 24 तारखेक अपॉइंटमेंट दिल्या आणि 26 तारखेक ते जॉइन जाले. ओके म्हणजे तांणी आमचे कडेन हें मागिल्लें म्हणजे आमी तांकां सांगलें कितें यू डिफर देअर अपॉइंटमेंट्स कारण तांणी सगळे कायदेशीर सगळे हें करून तांचे अपॉइंटमेंट दिल्ले कारणान आमी तांकां घरा वच म्हूण सांगूंक शकना पूण जॉयनींग तांकां डिफर करचें आमी तांकां ह्या 5 डिपार्टमेंट सादारण 12 ते 13 पोस्ट आसात. लय पडताळून पळयतकच अशें दिसलें की चडशे डिपार्टमेंटांनी 21 तारखेचे पयलीं अपॉइंटमेंट्स दिल्ले आसात. फक्त कांय जाणांनी मेडिकल करूंक ना आनी FR10 प्रमाणे मेडिकल मागीर करपाक प्रोविजन आसा तें ताणें आमकां दाखोवन दिले उपरांत आमी ताजेर चड स्ट्रेस घेवना.
But the Commission is not satisfied with the report furnished by the respective departments. Sources say that Commission doubts that departments have recruited 1,300 posts. Commission's investigation into the matter is in progress. On the other side, PWD has allotted 40 offer letters, Health Department 30 and Social Welfare Department 5. Regularization of KTC contract labourers and bonus to the KTC employees is also questioned by the Election Commission. But Commission has stayed the process. All the departments are ordered to hold promotion and recruitment for harness cases also. In GMC, some posts were occupied even after enforcing Election Code of Conduct. The Commission also received a complaint that a senior officer of GMC administration is on leave with GMC's official seal. He was in the process of issuing offer letters from his residence. The report is furnished to the election officer on Tuesday evening. Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Caritas Goa completed 50 years of its existence in the state. The organization is a charitable society of the Archdiocese of Goa. The society was established by the last Portuguese Archbishop Dom José Alvernas a fortnight after the liberation of Goa.
Caritas Goa takes up issues and addresses concerns related to the welfare and the upliftment of the downtrodden and social outcasts.
These 50 years of Caritas Goa tell us that we can make a difference if you and I decide, impelled by the mandate of Jesus, to reach out in love and service. If all of us put our hands together, we can make a difference not only to the human family, to the less privileged members of the human family, but we can make a difference to the environment around us.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.